Greetings of the day. I, Arun Devkar, Assistant Professor, Food Production Department from AISSMS College of Hotel Management and Catering Technology, would like to start with the topic called PowerPoint presentation on Punjabi cuisine. Introduction. The legendary Punjabi cuisine, which has no doubt been responsible to a great extent for promoting the love of Indian food outside of the India. It has the influence from the Persian, Afghani and Greek, has resulted in the cuisine not only rich and exotic but robust and earthy as well. The taste of Punjab would perhaps inspired by the tandoor. The rich and spicy tandoori preparations topped with butter will be tasty and nutritional. Punjabi food is simple, sizable and hearty with no unnecessary frills or exotic accompaniments. The Punjabi food, like other Indian cuisine, is very spicy. The use of tandoor is very prominent in Punjabi cooking. Seasons in Punjab. There are three well defined seasons in the Punjab. These are hot season, that is mid-April to the end of June. Rainy season, early July to the end of September. Cold season, early December to the end of February. Agriculture facts of Punjab. Punjab is called the granary of India or India's bread basket. It produces the following: 60% of India's wheat, 40% of India's rice. In the worldwide terms, 2% of the world cotton, 2% of the world's wheat, 1% of the world's rice. The largest grown crop is wheat. Other important crops are rice, cotton, sugarcane, millet, maize, barley and fruit. Punjabi food habits. These are the few of the Punjabi food products which Punjabi would love to eat. Punjabi people have a heavy diet as their main occupation is farming. Their diet mainly consists of chicken, mutton, homemade cheese, that is paneer, yogurt, ghee and butter. Few of the famous breads are naans, parathas, rotis, and few of the desserts, sweet preparations are gajar ka halwa and gulab jamun. Spices used in Punjabi cuisine. Various masalas are used in Punjabi cuisine are garam masala made out of cumin seeds, black cardamom seeds, black peppercorn, green cardamom, cinnamon, shahi jeera, bay leaf and dry rose petal, coriander seeds, fennel seeds, cloves and ginger powder and nutmeg. Second masala is aromatic garam masala made out of green cardamom, cumin seeds, black peppercorn, cinnamon, cloves and nutmeg. Third masala, chaat masala made out of cumin seeds, black peppercorn, black salt, dry pudina, hing, that is also called asafoetida, tartaric acid, amchur powder, ajwain, ginger powder, yellow chili powder. Next masala is tandoori chaat masala made out of cumin seeds, black peppercorn, black salt, dry pudina, kasuri methi, green cardamom, cloves, cinnamon, ajwain, hing, tartaric acid, mango powder, ginger powder, yellow chili powder. It cannot be denied that spices in their new form have certain disadvantage. Whole or ground spices do not always impart their flavors readily, and when we use proprietary pre-grounded spices, much of the aromatic quality is lost. Ingredients. Punjabi people use these ingredients in their cuisine. Garam masala, ghee, that is also called clarified butter, dahi, that is yogurt, paneer, homemade cheese, that is also called cottage cheese, haldi, that is turmeric, amchur powder, mango powder, lal and hari mirchi, that is red and green chilies. Style of cooking. There are many styles of cooking in Punjab. In the village, many people still employ the traditional infrastructure of cooking. This includes wood-fired and Manchuri ovens. In the past, many of people employed wood-burning stoves, but this method is dying out. Derivation from this type of cooking is the tandoor style of cooking food in the tandoor. In India, tandoori cooking is traditionally associated with Punjab, as a Punjabis embraced the tandoor on a regional level, and it became popular in the mainstream after the 1947 partition, when Punjabis resettled in the places such as Delhi. In rural Punjab, it is commonly to have communal tandoor, which are also called tandoor in Punjab. The tandoor. The discovery of fire was blessing to man, and use of tandoor in Punjabi cuisine is the distinct characteristic. India got its first taste of kebab with the Muslim culture. The tandoor is a cylindrical clay barrel dug in the ground and lit with wood, was used to bake breads. It is not only used for making breads and kebabs. The delicacy cooked in the tandoor have a unique flavor in it. Punjabi dairy product. Clarified butter, it's one of the Punjabi dairy product. Sunflower oil, paneer and butter are used in Punjabi cooking. Clarified butter is most often used as the ghee. Some North Punjabi village have also developed a local cheese variant known as dhag. Famous drinks. Punjabi cuisine is quite rich in refreshing drinks like kanji, fermented carrot and mustard paste drink served in earthenware, matka. Shikanjvi, chilled drinks made of chilled water, lemon juice, salt, black salt powder and black pepper powder. Then lussi, sweetened dahi diluted with water and flavored with rose syrup. It's also one of the famous drinks which is available in all over Punjab. And matta, that is known as buttermilk, made of diluted curd, broiled cumin, seeds powder, chopped ginger, chopped green chilies, fresh coriander leaves with crushed ice and salt. The festivals in Punjab have always been celebrated with much of joy and fun. Punjab being a predominantly agriculture state that provides itself on its food grain production, Baisakhi is indication of arrival of harvesting season. Tikka is celebrated in the month of Kartik, one day after Diwali. Lahori is celebrated in the month of December and January. Few of the famous Punjabi dishes are Amritsari Machi, ajwain flavor batter, fried fish pieces served with chutney and lemon wedges. Multani Tikka, crispy ajwaini flavored paneer and onion tikka served with tandoori kebab masala. Barwana Shimla Mirchi, tandoori stuffed Shimla Mirchi. Next is tandoori jhinga, tandoori prawns enriched with tandoori masala. Murg Malai Kebab, chicken supreme kebabs rich in cream and saffron. Sarson da saag, green leafy vegetables preparation made of mustard leaves served with makke ki roti. Bengan ka bharta, smoky flavored mashed brinjal preparation served with tandoori paratha. Mahi chole di dal, it is a dal preparation made out of urad dal, rajma, chana dal enriched with cream and desi ghee. Amritsari kulcha stuffed with potatoes, cauliflower, paneer, stuffed roti cooked inside of the tandoor. Chole bhature, cooked spices, chickpeas, served with deep fried yogurt based bread. Makke ki roti, roti made of maize flour, atta and maida. Misidi roti made of cooked mashed chana dal and moong dal, atta, maida, onions, green chilies, etc. cooked inside of the tandoor. Then next is ran gosht, a rich, heavy and thick mutton preparation in which mutton boti and mutton mince is cooked together with onion and masala till done. Murg makhni, tandoori chicken in tomato based rich gravy which is enriched by addition of cashew nuts and cream and butter. Few of the famous sweet preparations are shahi tukra, keshari kheer, gajar ka halwa. Firni is the best sweet preparation of Punjab. Punjabi sweets. Punjabi cuisine includes various types of desserts and mithais which includes Amritsari jalebi, barfi, gur made out of sugarcane juice, kheer, khoya, kulfi, and ice cream like dessert, laddu, malpua and rabri. Few of the Punjabi breads are: Punjab eat a variety of bread. Flat breads are raised breads are eaten on daily basis. Raised base breads are known as Kashmiri roti. Sunflower and flax seeds are also added in some breads occasionally. The bread may be made of different type of flour and can be made in various ways. Baked in the tandoor like naan, tandoori roti, kulcha or lacha paratha, or it can be made in dry baked on tawa, Indian griddle like fulka or chapati or jowari ki roti, bajre ki roti and makke ki roti. These are also simmered with white butter. Shallow fried like parathas, keemas, minced meat parathas, aloo potato paratha, muli paratha, that is also known as radish paratha, then paneer paratha, palak paratha, aloo paneer paratha, deep fried like puri and bhatoras, a fermented dough, salt raising bread. Salt raising breads is a unique bread found only in the salt range region of Punjab, Pakistan, since rock salt is readily available in salt range. So many people in the past made use of salt instead of yeast to leaven the bread. Etiquettes of Punjabi dining. Etiquette of eating is considered a major part of the cuisine. Every Punjabi household follows certain regional etiquettes. The word etiquette has many local names depending on the particular region of Punjab. Through certain etiquettes varies regionally. There are many etiquette practices that are commonly throughout Punjab. Bringing and sending fresh fruits, sweets and food items as a gift to family members is a common practice in Punjab, particularly during the spring season. Food items are distributed among neighbors as well as on special occasion as a sign to show hospitality. Mango is considered a delicacy and produced widely in Punjab, and mango parties are commonly during the fruit harvest season. Watermelon and spiced muli at food stalls are shared among friend and relatives. Thank you. Have a nice day.